Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade to Porter Airlines Priority Boarding. Here's a detailed guide on how to upgrade to Porter Airlines Priority Boarding. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.flyporter.com. Ensure you're using the latest version of the website for the best experience. Once you're logged in, head over to the top menu and click on Manage Flights. Now, once you click on Manage Flights, click on My Bookings to open the My Bookings page. Now, once you're on the My Bookings page, which we have in here, you will see a communication box that allows you to enter your booking reference number and your last name. So enter your booking reference number and your last name to retrieve your reservation. Now, once you have accessed your booking, review your flight details and current boarding options. Then look for an option to upgrade. Now, within the Manage Booking section, look for the option to add services or upgrades. Now, these may be labeled as add services or add priority boarding or upgrade to priority boarding. Okay, so depending on the interface. So go ahead and click on priority boarding option to view additional details and pricing. Now review the details of the priority boarding upgrade, which typically allows you to board the aircraft before general boarding. Check the associated cost for the upgrade if applicable. If you wish to proceed, click on the add to booking or the upgrade button and confirm your choice by clicking continue or next. If there are any additional charges for the priority boarding upgrade, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. So fill in the required payment details and proceed with the payment. Once the upgrade is successfully processed, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email for an updated confirmation that includes your priority boarding status. That's it. So return to My Booking section and log in again if necessary. So verify that your booking reflects the priority boarding upgrade. On the day of your flight, arrive at the airport early to ensure you can check in smoothly and take advantage of your priority boarding status. Look for the designated priority boarding lane at the gates. And that's it. So by following these detailed steps, you can successfully upgrade to Porter Airlines Priority Boarding and enjoy a more convenient boarding experience. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.